In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to split text into columns here in Google Sheets. So if you have some existing values that you want to quickly separate or split into columns, this is how you're going to do it. So I have two examples to show you for this video. The first one would be to separate these names right here. So I want to separate them into the first name and the last name. I'm not going to be using any formulas in here. We have this built-in tool designed to split the values within your cells based on the separator that you will select. So how do we do this? First, you're going to select the range or the cells that you want to split into columns. Next would be to go to data here in the menu bar, then select split text to columns. Here we have it. So if I click on that, you'll see this small tab appear at the bottom of my range, and it's going to be the separator. So we have to select which separator would determine how we split the values within these cells. So if I click on this one, here we have it. We can separate them based on the comma, the semicolon, period, space, or a custom character. So for this one, obviously I don't have any special characters within that range, so I'm going to select space. So if I click on this one, there you have it. We've successfully split our text into two columns. We have our first name and our last name. So there's nothing to it. It's a built-in tool that you can quickly use to separate those values into columns. Let's try this right here. So for this example, we have different addresses that are separated by spaces and commas. So we do have a special character for this one. If we try and separate these the same way we did with the first one, if we select that range, go to data, select split text to columns, and now it has automatically detected our separator, which is the comma. But if we selected a different one, let's say we're going to do space again, it's going to separate it differently from what we wanted. So since it has detected that these are addresses and they're basically separated by these categories right here, it has detected the comma, which is the correct one that we need for this data. And there you have it. We have the street name, the city, the state, and the zip code. So depending on what type of data you have, you can definitely easily split those texts or values into columns depending on how many you have and depending on the type of separator you have. So it doesn't limit the separator into the ones that already exist in that built-in tool. As you remember, we do have the last one, which is the custom, which you can enter the special character that you want to separate those values into. And there you have it. That's your quick guide on how to split text into columns here in Google Sheets. If you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you might want to check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.